That's a brain.
But on number 26 so okay. The Beam Festival against Taste of Culture. Stoneboy officially is in the date number 24th December. 24th December. Into me date
BhimFest no.
BhimFest na that bontin you know say 26th December and a BhimFest because so Accra Sports Stadium officially Stoneboy and then the team at the letter about bontin say at the 24th we got the Ghana Tourism Authority and one of them crata about bontin kasa no mko nim no omo je to me say Beam Festival no e Ghana dia e your man dia ankasa because Beam Festival omuntimi for monsanka omatira say Beam Festival a lot of people abon mu pa and the Beam Festival aye for the past 10 years no enya dia was a Ghana industry no say be dey tutu from kra into omo say the support be na Beam Festival e here be on the 24th no ometu ho anamo aboa the Beam Festival until from 26 to 24 for the Ghana Tourism Authority say ahoden bia ne moa bia na Stoneboy and the team here bia no omo be Stoneboy on the 24th when update I want to tell
me my disappointed my disappointed if I don't know I mean I don't know better than Stoneboy na any show na wajiatum so best is date no but why is it not omumum say I didn't know omumum change your date no the level of investment Stoneboy demu for him to share this date no me cry no changing date we cry no Emma sa show na feel too overly important over Stoneboy say so mo ya Stoneboy nan ko ntimi feel if he was maintaining the date
and no na why establish and na why establish ka asem ni nyina o e say no obi aje to me say
how
say taste of culture no ebeba so dia ebe affect Stoneboy denti Stoneboy enyine dia mra ni mu
onumum omo na wase omusu
o dia na eya aban dia Ghana Tourism Authority Black Stars Experience Ghana Initiative aban dia nti mo ye changes there na individual person adentire mo nyimu dia na mra ni mu na mo nwen say mo nipa na eya ade nti say ye dia ni wi na dia ho de nya akobɔ Stoneboy
so aye ka ho asemi menwa waisa senya BhimFest ya artist bebre wo hanka binding team first kan ko form mo magan phone hu omo if not for Stoneboy
Morgan Heritage you bet my body
Grammy
Friday me body wa
me say Grammy profile artist or de omo ba the quality of artist ni omo pompon so or de omo ba no Ghana na me ya say we ebe mo obi ti be waka say Stoneboy is throw say omale ebe feel how omale ebe timi afile over Stoneboy on the same day Kabena boy bi na me yemu nhime ka Davido bi na me yemu nhime ka Whiskey bi se omale nti Stoneboy ya adebuo ana any die ana opese odema government no entina na obi akotwa 3.5 million old billion e secure ayi artist se bia wa na adwuse nko bebuki Angelina Kidjo na ba Angela Kidjo unim na ayi ne schedule se we twa obia ni one summary 26 Stoneboy booking na on your flight arrangement in advance man into summary a change of date GTA for mubetua debio and I make us say
who din komo me Stoneboy before say is that less than be 1 month
Argentina abani mum be the cost do no flight any rider say ka rider
I be match checking nyina hu say abani de ni mu be grass Stoneboy de na
abani mum be the level of investment at BhimFest no wa ko bi da bia unim say
side of almost
most of events any festivals are Ghana for artists ni bi kwa almost say omo kwa kobo omo de kan mu CV no bia no na Stoneboy eye wo Ghana haya but because Ghana haya imagine say ka BhimFest Jamaican festival bi and anka artists ni free alcohol I've gone to share stage with Spice with Tentic with Black Hero with and come the become music but eben hwena no heya no ya fa ne fala the level of investment giant na media say nyeso omo ya imagine say flight changes bia Stoneboy aboka in advance bia omo be fa na omo fa even cry say no 24th so here we are unim say stay set up on the kind of stay set up a Stone Boy here for the BhimFest now. Bad 3 days now. We had the ashisha tutu. Inti manpower and Kodibe here because we are from 24th. I'm told say 26 no. 26 which is the amount for program also. He has 2 days. And not less than 48 hours, so be taking a setup no. Inti manpower, be say here increase it to pay them.
Say Ghana Tourism Authority say na Stone Boy be here be
bro, government are not me Stone Boy me na come hu construction agreement government.
Stone Boy be a Stone o maka ba beto abontene the means Stone Boy assign.
Ni die. And I already no there is a perception now and no he wants to strategically position his brand so that this government and what the full soldiers no because already Oboa said be some silly full soldier
I had politics that
oh now I say we wan koye say am for be NDC against Stone Boy biemu I hope so challenge abanu because ebia full soldiers no inti me lenses na mini Stone Boy and can will challenge them say I made it here without the government and no way say many government event here ebe affect me anyway ko be 360 no bon say among for independence ko almost why a board or mu twa ticket to Reschedule stadium on number the power of Stone Boy in the kind of festival here. No boy dey bro so do sometimes ni gidi no onye because esisi na too much ono na dey be no
do feel say esisi no
oh ono na dey be no ono na but anyway I mean I'm glad say
about 24th
but o say GTA the account official December event no
yeah on that
Kumase ye event be na GTA outline say ka official December event ye ni bi
ya ka say ye be complain ya menim so bi so the letter kwa mo say be patcho me ba be event bi Kumase ntimo fan ka calendar na obia ye nim
see
nti o say nya obi a
no but who ye GTA
what complain say bi on fan ka
but why should we complain why sir who ye GTA I was someone who say who decentralize experience no abrofo iba no be dru Accra o me ko tidal wave Rapolic BhimFest ni na o ko ase bibia nko so Ashanti region na say me hu say o makota di e de o mo anchors na ka official December event no Ashanti region there na ye what are you presenting say presenting o mo brand bebusa me regional minister Michiana either so the Ashanti first beko and I pay event bia individual be aye amanagina over the years so lodge entertainment events here or yeah etimi fele Rotary Park nyina na wo de bekwa present it
asem de waka nie pa ene mamen for asem ma ye Kumase for na